So the question that rises most people's mind is that can you redeem your Google Play balance into some other account to get some extra bonuses, meaning a redeem code? So the short answer is that you cannot. You will it cannot be your Google Play balance cannot be refunded or given to another account or converted into a redeem code. But there are some options of referral if you contact Google support, and then they can guide you further. So the short answer is that you cannot even redeem it, refund it, or transfer to another account, but you can get a refund in some cases. But to do that, you will need to simply contact Google support to simply further acquire the answer to your question, and why you need the refund, and then they will thoroughly investigate your account to basically verify your reason for the refund, and then if they think that there's a legit reason, they will give you the refund. But that's in case that there's an actual reason for that. So yeah, you cannot do it. So thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.